From number 1 to number 10, we start. Number 1, mùa. Number 2, ba. So 1 and 2 is mùa and ba. Mùa, ba. So how about 3, 4, 5? 3, 4, 5 can start with sound pa. So 3, 4, 4, pon, 5, a sound. So easily we can mark it. 3, 4, and 5 start with the pa sound. 3, 4, 4, pon, 5, a sound. That's why 1 and 2 is regarded as one group. Mùa, ba. 3, 4, 5 regarded as one group. 4, pon, a sound. That's why we can practice as mùa, ba. 4, pon, a sound. Like that, spread it like that. Mùa, ba. 4, pon, a sound. We can practice mùa, ba. 4, pon, a sound. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So later, 6. Number 6. Number 6, only one that sounds trao. Trao. Okay, how about 7, 8, and 9? 7, 8, and 9 can be regarded as one group that start with the sound ha. 7, hapo. 8, hachan. 9, hachu. Hapo, hachan, hachu. Hapo, hachan, hachu. That is 7, 8, and 9. So 6, 7, 8, 9. Tra, hapo, hachan, hachu. Tra, hapo, hachan, hachu. 10, chào. Chào. So from 6 to 10 can regard as three groups: 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay. Trao, hapo, hachan, hachu. Chào. Trao, hapo, hachan, hachu. Chào. From 1 to 10. 1, 2 as one group. 3, 4, 5 as a second group. 6 as a third group. 7, 8, 9 as a fourth group. And 10 is the final group. So we regarded with the same starting songs. 1, 2, mùa, ba. 3, 4, 5, pon, the sound. 6, trao. 7, 8, 9, hapo, hachan, hachu. 10, chào. So we can practice repeatedly. Mùa, ba. 4, pon, the sound. Trao. Hapo, hachan, hachu. Chào. Again. Mùa, ba. 4, pon, the sound. Trao. Hapo, hachan, hachu. Chào. Again. Mùa, ba. 4, pon, the sound. Trao. Hapo, hachan, hachu. Chào. Once more. Mùa, ba. 4, pon, the sound. Trao. Hapo, hachan, hachu. Chào. We can practice it repeatedly like that. Okay. Then how we speak 11 is 10 plus 1. That's one. Chào mùa. 11 is chào mùa. 12. Chào bà. 13. Chào bộ. 14. Chào bồn. 15. Chào sào. 16. Chào rau. 17. Chào hapo. 18. Chào hachan. 19. Chào hachu. 20. Ba. It is not ba chào. The sounds like ba chục, ba chục, ba chục. The sound from 10 and 20 is slightly different. 10 is chao, but starting from 20, it is not that sounds chao anymore. It sounds like chu. So 20, ba chu, 30, four chu, 40, mon chu, 50, son chu, 60, tra chu, 70, hapo chu, 80, hachan chu, 90, hachi chu. 100 means mua clown. 100, mua clown, mua clown. So here, if we want to mention 101, mua clown mùa. 102, mua clown bà. 110, mua clown chào. 120, mua clown ba chục. 130, mua clown four chục. And so on. Later, 1000 is mùa người. Mùa người. 10,000 is mùa lạc. Mùa lạc. 100,000 is mùa cỏ. Mùa cỏ. 1,000,000 is mùa bạ cao tọa cọt. Mùa bạ cao tọa cọt. 10,000,000 múa nghị là hư. Múa nghị là hư. 100,000,000 múa nghị là hư tong. Múa nghị là hư tong. 1,000,000,000 múa sáng khổ. Múa sáng khổ. 1,000,000,000 múa maha sang khổ. Múa maha sang khổ.